In today's video, you are going to learn how to create this Another World Dreamy Effect in Premiere Pro. For this purpose, we need two video clips. Number one is the board clip, something like this, and second is the cloud video. So I have downloaded these clips from the Envato Elements, but you can download it from any website like Pixabay or Pexels.com if you don't have the Envato Elements subscription. If you don't know about the Envato Elements, then let me tell you that Envato Elements is a website from where you can download the unlimited video editing or photo editing assets like stock images, stock videos, video templates, music files, WordPress files, Photoshop actions, and much more with just one monthly subscription. If you are a content creator, this subscription is must for you. If you want to check out, the link is in the description section below. Let's get back to our tutorial now. I have already imported these two files into the Premiere Pro and I have created a sequence with the board clip. Now I'll drag and drop cloud clip on the top of the board clip. Since the cloud clip is little smaller, so we will right click and select set to frame size or scale to frame size. So either option will scale it according to the frame size, but still there are certain parts which are not filled up. So in order to fix that, we'll go to the effects control panel, and in the effects control panel we'll scale this cloud clip a little bit so that it fills our frame. Now we'll go to the effects control once again, and then in the bottom we'll see the opacity option, and now we'll change its layer blend mode from normal to, let's say, first try soft light, and if it doesn't work then try overlay, and if that also doesn't work then try the multiply, and boom, multiply gives us the best result. So now let's lower down its opacity a little bit, something like this, which looks good and realistic. Now if we play it, boom, you have successfully created the Another World Dreamy Effect in Premiere Pro. Now you are a Premiere Pro expert. And if you want to learn how to create the world bending effect in Premiere Pro, check out this video. The link is in the description section below. For more such tips and tricks, like, follow and subscribe.